Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a look to match my Nike M2k Tekno, I believe it's called. So I'm gonna start off by filling in my eyebrows. Now that I filled in my eyebrows, I'm going to brush them out. Now I'm gonna conceal it and carve out my eyebrows and put concealer all over my eyelids. And put concealer in the middle of my eyebrow to cover my unibrow because I need to get my eyebrows done, y'all. Now I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray to spray on my beauty blender to get it wet, and I'm blending out the concealer, which is my base for my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be adding orange. I pointed to a light orange, but it didn't come out enough darkness for me, so I used the one above it. Okay, now that I did my eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using my Clinique hydrating jelly as my primer. It's really hydrating and it just gives me that dewy look with my foundation that I have really been loving lately. I'm gonna be applying lashes. I'm gonna clean them off first, then apply lashes. And to apply my lashes, I'm gonna be using hair glue, which is only 99 cents. Before I put my lashes on, I'm going to be using Thrive mascara to make my eyelashes black again, because you know, fall out from the eyeshadow. As you can see, I'm struggling to put my eyelash on because the glue has already dried. I let it sit for too long. So, womp womp, it's not gonna stay, so I gotta take it off and do it again. You can see I got some eyelash glue on my eyelids, so I'm just going to be putting some more eyeshadow to cover it up. I'm going to be applying foundation, which I did not have, so I'm using my concealer palette with a tone that kind of matches. It's a little orangey, but I was fiending to do my makeup, so I used it anyways. Okay, so usually I would conceal first, but I forgot, and I had burnt myself with a curling iron on the side of my cheek, and I forgot to put concealer to cover the dark spots, so I went back and I put concealer. Here's me screaming, "Mom!" trying to get my mom to bring me. I forgot what she was bringing me, but I was calling her to bring me something. Now I'm just applying concealer under my eyes. Then I'm gonna blend that out. After concealer, I'm gonna be using bronzer to darken up my face, like if I got a tan, because like I said, my foundation was too orangey. Now I'm going to be using my Too Faced chocolate palette for my green glitter eyeshadow that's called Money, and I'm gonna be applying it to my under eyes and my inner corner. Okay, so I felt like it was too far down, so I'm gonna put concealer to straighten up the line and make it more even and more up. And right here I'm using green eyeshadow, regular green eyeshadow, to extend it and kind of, I guess, outline my eye with it, or make like a little wing or whatever. I don't know what I did, but I did it. Now I'm going to be applying highlighter to my under my eyebrow, my side cheeks, and my nose. Now I'm just using a clean brush to kind of blend it out because I felt like it was too much. After I clean my lips with a wipe, I'm gonna be applying Huda Beauty lip gloss. Okay guys, that's it for this video. This is the final look, and here are the sneakers that I did the makeup look to match. Like, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. Come back again. Thank you for watching. Bye.